And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's bowl off with cricket. The Jamaica Scorpions face an uphill battle to avoid their second consecutive defeat as Barbados Pride need a further 153 runs for an outright victory in their Cricket West Indies Regional 4-Day Championship match at Sabina Park. The Barbados Pride began the day on a 233 for 5 in search of another 17 runs to gain first innings honours over the Scorpions. Jonathan Carter, who resumed on a 68, and Tevin Walcott 16, added a further 41 off 8 overs. Walcott, who was the more aggressive of the two, hit 3 fours before Nikita Miller removed him for 35. 10 runs later, Carter went 9 runs short of a century as his stump was uprooted by off-spinner Akeem Fraser. Keon Harding, 23, along with Marquino Mindley, posted 33 runs for the 8th wicket to carry the Pride to 311 for 9 declared, a 61-run first innings lead. Derval Green bagged a 3 for 45, Nikita Miller 3 for 63, and Fraser 2 for 93. Facing a deficit of 61 runs, Kennar Lewis and Garth Garvey posted 28 runs before Lewis went for 11. Garvey and Brandon King saw the Scorpions erase the deficit, but no sooner had they done so, Garvey went for 37. King and Jermaine Blackwood staged a brief recovery with a 73-run third-wicket partnership, as both batsmen looked comfortable against the Pride bowling, hitting 6 boundaries in an hour and a half at the crease. However, Roston Chase struck a double blow, first removing Blackwood for 31 with the score on 138 for 3. The very next ball, he had Asad Fuddadin leg before wicket for a duck to be on a hat-trick, but was denied by skipper Paul Palmer Jr. After rescuing the Scorpions from 45 for 5 in the first innings, Palmer and Nkrumah Bonner were hoping for a repeat, but their stand lasted only 16 runs as Miguel Cummins sent back Bonner to the pavilion for 11. Derval Green, who was unbeaten in the first innings, was dismissed for 14, with the score on 183 for 7 and a lead of 121 at that stage. Discarded West Indies fast bowler Jerome Taylor faced just 4 balls to be Keon Harding's second victim. The skipper's long resistance of 70 minutes ended as Harding picked up his 3rd wicket and that of Palmer going for 22 with the score on 204 for 9. Akeem Fraser became Chase's 5th wicket as the Scorpions were bowled out for 218, set 158 for victory. The Pride reached 5 without loss at the close.
I just think we need to bowl wicket to wicket because the bounce is inconsistent, and with inconsistent bounce you want to stay as straight as possible to bring LBW decisions into play as well as bowl.
Yes, I back my batsmen to get these runs, and the guys have got a little idea how the wicket is playing. And I thought they batted pretty well the first inning, so they're quite confident now going into the second inning. The wicket is still playing very good, so I don't see any reason why they can't get those runs. They have to bat very poor in order to not to get the runs, and I'm confident that we will get the runs.